with me now. Go with me now. I'm gonna take you down. Go with me now. I'm gonna show you how. Go with me now. I'm gonna take you down. Go with me now.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do a little bit of maintenance on the bikes. So this is the 150R that I was talking about in my first video, or the last video. It's completely stock. Gonna need new tires on it soon. The tires look better on camera, but I need to add a little bit more oil into this bike because it doesn't have enough last time I checked it. And with this bike, the last time I looped it, the seat got loosened, so the seat just moves around freely. And the gas tank moves too, so gonna take the seat off, put everything back together on that, and then put more oil into this. And yeah, we should be good to ride the next time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the 150 there and put the 100 here for now. So move that so we have more room to mess around with that bike. And then once we've put more oil in this bike, then we'll put that bike back there. And yeah, you get the gist. Well, here's my tools, and here's all my workspace. So I gotta move all this so I can put that there. Alright, so we got that bike over there. This bike on the stand so I could reach it easily. It's higher up. But yeah, when I looped the bike, I messed up my brand new grips. I've only had these on for like 3 weeks now? And I messed up my pipe pretty good. So that's messed up. And a few weeks ago I also put a puncture in my pipe here, like in this area, and that's why it sounds a little weird, but gotta weld that back up and it should be good. So we're gonna get to working on this, and then yeah, take the seat off now, put that there. Okay, so what happened was this strap came off this clip here, and that's what holds the gas tank down. So we gotta strap that back on, and this piece right here on the seat goes under here, and then that is how the seat stays in place. Same with the gas tank too, and that's how everything stays. So gotta tighten that up, and then yeah, so get this on. It's hard to do everything with one hand, and now the gas tank doesn't move as much. And now this is gonna be the hard part, doing everything with one hand. So and nope. Is it on there? That is on there. Where else is it? Hold on. Push this in a little bit more. Is it on there? It should be. Sorry if this isn't coming out well, but yeah, that's on there. So now all we gotta do is just tighten the bolts back up, and we are good. Alright, so now that's on. Can't lift it up. So now I gotta put this down, put that back there, put that up. Actually, before I do that, I'll just lube up the chain, extend down. Hold on, let me switch hands. Turn the tire. And for those of you saying, watch out, don't get in your brakes, I got drum brakes, so. Spray it on the sprocket. This sprocket looks good. Alright, that's good. Lubed up the chain. Now, drop this. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go get some oil for that thing. Okay, so we got all this stuff around it. As you can see, that's oil. So clean that up so next time we wash up, we might wash the bike too, I don't know. So yeah. So the bike's just been sitting here. I haven't ridden it in a couple days, but last I checked, it definitely needed more oil. So we're just, and if it has enough oil and I checked wrong, it's just make sure it has enough. I'm gonna need to change the oil in it anyway soon. Just I don't want it to blow up because parts for this are expensive. Yep. See, look at that. It's right. It's a little above the first line, but see, actually, it shows a middle line. But you should want the oil all the way up to this line, and it's all the way down here. So we definitely need more oil, and I actually think I didn't bring enough. But I have my tripod on a old cage for some animal. I don't know. Don't ask me. So I couldn't find anything else. So, oh, come on. So we're just gonna put some oil in. I'm probably going to do some, what's it called, time lapse in here, because this section alone was 4 minutes, and I want a 10-minute video at the limit, so yeah. I will see you in the next video. Peace.